Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Cotton Moyo. I'm a person living with a disability. Today, I have visitors. These two handsome guys here. They came to my place intending to know more about people living with a disability. I realized that they have released a song about people living with a disability. How are you guys?
Yeah, fine, fine. And how
Please,
are you?
just tell me, who are you?
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Colin. My name is Kolekan. Sintwini sithi ngumfokakhawa, umgandla. That's my surname.
Okay, yeah, okay. And you say?
I'm Mr. Moyo Opt. That's me.
Okay. Since you have come to my place and you said you want to know more about disability, what makes you think you can do better to help people living with disability?
Yeah, we as AMAQAQA, we do music, we talk through music, we advise through music, we socialize through music in everything that we do. So it is our mission to share with the people how we feel concerning people living with disability. So we are going to produce songs that have got a lot to do with disability, like preaching the gospel of enhancing them, to share love with them, to support them in whatever means that can be available.
Okay. So you think music can bring unity? Music can open people's minds to see disabled people the other way. That's what you are trying to say.
Of course, because we have discovered that people living with disability are very disadvantaged. Societies look at them negatively. You may find that in some of the programs, maybe in the villages, in towns, they are discriminated, they are isolated because of their disability, of which is not their wish to be what they are. So even our song mentions that to be what they are, it's not their wish, but it's God's will. So we have to accept them, live with them, play with them, show them everything, love, unity, do everything with them.
So far, what have you done? Or if I can say this, do you understand what I'm trying to say?
No, we don't understand that.
Why?
We have never been in such doings, you know. We don't understand.
Have you realized that disability term is wrongly said? Because if you disable something, that means you are separating. So if you look at me, do you think I'm separated?
I think what you are saying is very, very vital, and it goes hand in hand with what we mentioned in our song. Our song says disability means nothing.
Yes.
So we say it means nothing. A person with disability is a person just like any other person, yes. And we believe that a disabled person can do even much better than another person in the world. Okay. So to us, we felt we have to sing this song, explaining that we are the same. You know, the Bible sometimes say a human being is could the image is the image of God, right?
Yes.
So who knows now? whether God is like you. Who knows God is like me? So he believes we are the same.
Okay, so Mfana Kakao, what do you think you can do to help people living with disability? Since we have started to sing about them, to put what we can call awareness about people living with disability, what do you think you can do? Not that you will end up on the singing side of the music. Then when we come to practically, what are your plans for people living with disability?
Okay. What we are looking for as AMAQAQA for what is to share love with disabled people. Anyhow, we want to share love with telling people how they are special, because we understand that disabled people to God and we are equal. All of us were equal. So we just want to share love by giving disabled people, by collaborating with disabled people, doing many things, because we understand that disabled people, there are many disabled people who are intelligent outside there, but who are being isolated because of their condition. So as AMAQAQA, we wish to do something that can bring them into light, so that people can see that disabled people can do anything and can do much more better things.
As AMAQAQA, what do you think can be done to uplift lives of people living with disability, besides preaching about disabled life, that they must be loved, they must be doing that, because it's a gospel that has been said time and again that we have to love them, we have to cherish them, but nothing on the ground has been done. And most of the disabled people are not educated. They are being isolated. Some, they were taken into centers where they can live there. Then they cannot associate with you outside. That's why I was showing you a sign language. That if someone who's disabled in terms of hearing, and what will you do if you can come here asking for assistance, since you don't know how to speak sign language?
Mr. Mon, as AMAQAQA, we are doing music.
Yes.
We understand the life that is being lived by disabled people.
Yes.
We are aiming that whenever we get some resources, we'll give some donors.
Yes.
We believe we don't have to give them fish.
Yes.
But you have to teach them how to fish, in the sense that some of them, they've got some small businesses.
Yes.
If we have some money, either we support by buying from, maybe they've got tuck shops, they've got sewing machines, they've got, we are going to preach the gospel of supporting these people. Even we ourselves are going to support by, those businesses. And through this music, we're trying to alarm the whole world, the organizations, even the governments of different nations, to give them the opportunities in parliament, in ruling organs of the nation, of the states, educating them. Those, I was happy to see you just trying to, I don't know, maybe you were trying, or it, me, I don't know. Yes. But if they are given the opportunity to go to school, of this school of what, or which is the schools that are related to their disability, because some they are deaf, so they need to learn sign language. Some then they cannot even walk, but they can do some sports and stuff. So they have to be supported on all those aspects of life. That's what you are advocating for as AMAQAQA.
Okay. So, do you think they have to be taken to some certain schools rather than mixing with anyone within the society. That's what you think?
I know, because it would be like isolating them. If we take them like a group, we put them there in their special school,
Yes.
it means they'll be like feeling we are alone. Why we are here alone, but we're like other people,
Yes.
But if we take them to that school, then teachers for such disabilities are provided.
Yes.
Then they feel the environment of being together with the people
Yes.
with all parts of the body or without disability,
Yes,
if I can
they
say.
call themselves able-bodied.
Oh yes, that's English,
Yes. In short,
yes.
they say APs.
Yes, that's English.
Yes. So, guys, me, I have an association called Mina Nawe Siyafana, which deals with the people living with disability. So, thank you very much for your track that shows the awareness that Mina Nawe Siyafana. It means a lot to me, but I wish you don't end up in music. You said you don't want to give them fish, but you want to teach them how to fish, of which that's good, because if you give them fish, tomorrow they will come again asking for those fish. But if you can teach them how to fish, they can live their lives. Thank you very much, guys.
Don't you want a piece?
Yes. Give me. Just give me. Just give me a piece for that song I've heard.
Disability, how much? Disability means nothing. Disability, how yellow. Disability means nothing. Give them a chance. Disability in education. Disability means nothing. Give them a chance. Disability in parliament. Disability means nothing. How yellow. Disability.
Wow. You know that I'm a musician also. Yes. Thank you very much, listeners at home. We are done with these guys. They are trying to bring awareness about people living with a disability. Thank you very much. Please help. We are tired of being sidelined in any way. Thank you very much. Hello.
Thank you.